Welcome back to my AKS online classes. So, here we are discussing about plus 1 mathematics subject, chapter 1 sets. And today we are going to discuss about a very important topic in this chapter, that is operation on sets. Operation on sets. So, in mathematics we are doing many operations, like in lower classes we are studying subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. All operations we are doing in mathematics by using numbers. Okay, for performing this operation we require minimum 2 numbers. Clear? So in the same way we are doing some operation on sets. Between two sets we are doing some operation, and that operations are known as the operation on sets. Okay, so in operations on sets we are mainly done 3 operations. The first one is union of sets, the second one is intersection of sets, and the third one is difference of set. ഈ മെയിൻ 3 ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ സെറ്റിൽ പെർഫോം ചെയ്യാറ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ യൂണിയൻ, the second one intersection, and the third one difference of sets. Now let us see what this union, intersection, difference on set and how these operations are performed and set with example, with Venn diagram. Okay, so first we are going to see about what is a union of set. Clear? First we are going to discuss about the union of set. Okay, from the name itself we can say that union means combining two sets. Okay, combining the elements of the two set. And by performing any operation on set we require minimum 2 set. Okay, 2 set minimum വേണം. So let A and B are 2 set. 2 set ഉണ്ട്, A യും B എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. The union of set A and B is an another set. The result is an another set which consists of all the elements of A and B, and the repeated elements are take only once. അതായത് എയിലെയും ബിയിലെയും എലമെന്റ്സ് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്ത് എഴുതുന്ന സെറ്റുകളെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്, യൂണിയൻ ഓഫ് സെറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അതിൽ എയിലെയും ബിയിലെയും നമ്പേഴ്സ് നമ്മൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ എലമെന്റ്സ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വന്നാൽ വി ആർ ഓൺലി ടേക്കിംഗ് വൺസ്. നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും സെറ്റ് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ, എലമെന്റ്സ് ആർ റിപ്പീറ്റഡ്, എലമെന്റ്സ് ടേക്ക് ഓൺലി വൺസ്, നോട്ട് റിപ്പീറ്റഡ്. അപ്പോൾ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല, ഒറ്റ പ്രാവശ്യം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാറുള്ളൂ, ആ എയിലെയും ബിയിലെ എലമെന്റ്സ് എഴുതാറുള്ളൂ. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സെറ്റുകളെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുക, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് union of set എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. And the U is the symbol denoting the union of the union operation. And suppose A is a set and B is another set, let A union B is denoted as A union B. This is the notation, read as A union B. Okay, and the definition of A union B is equal to, in set builder form, for all elements of X such that X is a element such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the definition of A union B. That means, so the definition of A union B is equal to, for all elements of X such that X belongs to either in A or in B, and it includes the common elements of both A and B. അതായത് എയിലെയും ബിയിലെയും എലമെന്റ്സ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്ത് എഴുതും. അതിൽ കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള എലമെന്റ്സും കൂടി എഴുതുന്ന സെറ്റുകളെയാണ്, ആ ഓപ്പറേഷൻസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്, എ യൂണിയൻ ബി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ക്ലിയർ ആയല്ലോ? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ വെച്ച് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ലെറ്റ് എ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എ സെറ്റ് 1 2 3 4. Okay, and B is another set. It consists of 3 4 5 6. And find the operation A union B on these two sets. So what is the A union B? A union B is nothing but combining all the elements of both A and B, and the repeated elements take only once. And A union, when we are going to write A union B such that, what are the elements of A? 1 2 3 4, and elements of B are 3 4 5 6. And that 3 4 is common to both A and B, so we are writing only once, and the another elements are 5 6. So this is the union operation on the set A and B. Clear? Okay, so next another example. Let A is equal to A E I O U, and B is another set such that A I U. and do the operation A union B. So we can see that what is A union B? A union B is nothing but combining all the elements of A and B. Okay, so here elements are A, E, I, O, U, and what are the elements of B? A. That is common in A also, so it write only once. I is present in the same set. I write here. You also write here. So A union B is equal to what? A itself. എപ്പോഴാണ് A union B A തന്നെ ആവുന്നത്? Only when B is a subset of A. So we can see that from this example we can see that first example, second example we can see that all the elements of B is also present in the set A. So B is a subset of A. When B is a subset of A, when we are doing the performance union operation on A union B, that is equal to A itself. Clear? So next another example 3. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is another set 6, 7, 8, 9. What is A union B? A union B is equal to combining all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is A union B. This is very simple. A union B is nothing but combining all the elements of the two set, and we are taking repeated elements are taking only once. And we know that the definition of A union B is equal to is another set such that elements of X for all elements of X such that X belongs to either in A or in B, or it includes both A and B, the elements of both A and B. Now we are going to show the Venn diagram of A union B. So you know that in Venn diagram we are representing the universal set by rectangle and the subset by circles. Okay, so this is a universal set using a rectangle. We have two sets. Okay, one is A, another is B. Okay, this is one set A, this is another set B. From the definition we can say that A union B is nothing but it is a set consists of all the elements of A. That means it is all the elements of A. A element നമ്മൾ ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, ഇതിലെല്ലാ എലമെൻറ്റും വരും, and also all the elements of B. Clear ആയല്ലോ? So this is the Venn diagram representation of A union B. Okay, so in Venn diagram representation of A, that means it consists all the elements of A and all the either the elements of A or the elements of B, and it include the common element of both A and B. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു ഓപ്പറേഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? A union B എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത എക്സാമ്പിൾസിന്റെ വെൻ ഡയഗ്രാം ഒന്ന് വരച്ചു നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ലെറ്റ് A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, and you know that A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this we can represent by using Venn diagram. First we are drawing a universal set, that is denoted as U, and we have two set. The one is A, so A is represented by using a circle, and another set is B, so B is another set. Because why we are overlapping the two circles? Because there is some elements common to both A and B. That elements is included in this area. Okay, this area include the common elements. What are the common elements? I mark 3 here, 4 here. Okay, so these elements 3 and 4 is common to both A and B. ഇതിൽ രണ്ടിലും കൂടി കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഇതാണ് 3ഉം 4ഉം ആണ്. And the rest of the elements in A is represented in this area. ഈ ഏരിയയിൽ വരുന്നത് എയിൽ മാത്രം ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു ഈ ഏരിയ ഉണ്ടോ? This area includes only the elements of A. ഇതിലെ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഓഫ് എ മാത്രം വരുള്ളൂ, ഇതിലെ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഓഫ് ബി മാത്രം വരുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദി എലമെൻറ്റ് 1 and 2 is representing here and the other element 5, 6 representing in the section B. So A union B is the set which consists of either the elements of A or the elements of B, and it include both the elements of A and B. Okay, so the next example, A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, and B is another set A, I, U, and from this we can see that B is a subset of A. So we are drawing a universal set U, and first we are drawing a subset, a set A, and we know that B is a subset of A. That means all the elements of B is present in A. So we are drawing the second circle inside. അതായത് ഉള്ളിലാണ് വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്, കാരണം എന്താണ്, എല്ലാ എലമെൻസും ബിയിലെ എല്ലാ എലമെൻസും എയിൽ പ്രസൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇനി ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ എയിലെ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തു, A, I, U, and the rest of the elements of A is outside this inner circle, that is E, O. So A, E, I, O, U, and this is the representation of A union B is equal to A itself. Okay, so the third example, so in third example we have two set A, B. Then that means in A, B there is no elements common to both the set A and B. So this set is known as disjoint set. This set is known as disjoint set. And how this disjoint set is represented in Venn diagram? There is no overlapping because no element common to both the sets. So we are separately drawn two circles without overlapping and mark the elements of A here, elements of B here. A union B is equal to a set consists of either the elements of A or B, combining all the elements of A and B. Clear? So this is all about the union operation on set. So next class we will discuss about properties of union operation. So എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്നിരിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ വരുന്നവരേക്കും എല്ലാവർക്കും ബൈ. താങ്ക് യു.